Hey folks, RJ here, and since I have a day off work, I thought I'd try a little something new. This is called the Guide to Zentai Quickies, and what this is to show you tips and tricks of Zentai in less than 5 minutes. You're looking here at the Sailor Jupiter cosplay with a Zentai cosplay mix. Now this was my finest moment. And that, unfortunately, was just only an experiment, so let's disregard that for a minute. Everything went fine and well until one day I discovered something that really, well, brought me to my knees. The gloves had a hole in them. And that's where this would be, just to throw the glove out and start again, then contact the seller for a replacement. Unfortunately, the seller I got the costume from isn't making them anymore. So how do we repair it to continue being in its top shape? How are we going to repair it? Simple, sewing it back together. You'll need a needle and some cotton of the glove colour. For example, I used white cotton with a bit of a needle. Now, this bit would be how not to do it. Apologies of course, I'm a bit rusty. I haven't learned any textiles since year 7 or anything after that. So all you need to do is just find the affected area, prepare by putting the needle and the cotton together, and just sew away like so, as shown here. Keep sewing until the damage is fully patched up. Then grab a pair of scissors and cut off any excess cotton. Then put on the newly repaired glove and check for any further damage. If not, you're back in business. That's how you repair a glove. And that should do it for this short and sweet quickie episode of Guide to Zentai, but if you'd like to see any further episodes or read up on episode notes, jump onto our website at RJRTV.com. There you'll find the latest show information and a lot more. Or if you have Facebook, like our official Facebook page to get the latest news and information direct to your newsfeed. If you like it short and sweet, follow me on Twitter for the latest news, information and a whole lot more. So, until the series final for 2010 in a few weeks, this is RJ saying, stay sharp. RJRTV is a proud supporter of the Creative Commons movement, a better way to share your work. Visit creativecommons.org and license your next production with the free licensing tool. Share, remix, reuse. Give it a go and make a difference.